Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you change your Honda Clarity key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you have enough space and can easily see all the small components. Now, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key. Press this button and carefully pull out the physical emergency key blade. Next, find the small slot where the key blade was removed. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to force it. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your small screwdriver, being mindful of its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a secure click. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the physical emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, it's time to test. Go to your Honda Clarity and check if the lock and unlock buttons are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.